back to my YouTube channel Learn Analytics with Mohit or Knowledge Hub in Analytics. Today we are going to solve more SQL problems, SQL hard level or difficulties problems we are going to solve. Previous videos we solved easy level of difficulties and medium level of difficulties. Now today we are going to solve hard level of difficulties. One solve problem 184, department highest salary, department top 3 salaries, and trips and users 262. These three problem statements we are going to solve. So before we move ahead, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी तक सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. इन फ्यूचर और भी वीडियोस मैं अपलोड करने वाला हूँ based on SQL problem interview questions asked in different companies as well. So let's just start with department highest salary. So here we have employee table with ID, name, salary, department ID as a column, and department table with ID and name as a column. We want to find employees who have the highest salary in each of the departments. So how to proceed ahead? In the output, what do we want? In the output, we want department, employee, and salary. So we will select department name. We have from here and select d dot name as department, comma. Then we have employee, which is e dot name as employee. Then we have salary, which is e dot salary as salary from employee table join employee table e join department table d on e dot department ID equals to d dot ID. Now what do we want is find employees who have the highest salary in each of the departments, where e dot salary is equals to select max of salary from employee E1, where E1 dot department ID equals to e dot department ID. Now let me run it. Accepted. So we got the output. IT sales IT 90,000, 80,000 and 90,000. I'm going to submit it. So here we successfully solved this problem. Now moving on to the next problem, which is department top 3 salaries. You can use window function here, rank window function. We have employee table with ID, name, salary, and department ID as a column, and department table with ID and name. A company executive are interested in seeing who earns the most money in each of the company's department. Higher than department is an employee who has salary in the top 3 unique salaries for that department. So we want to find top 3 salaries in every department. Now the solution is find the employees who are high earners in each of the departments. So first let us see what is the output that we want. Department. So select d dot name as department, comma employee, e dot name as employee, comma salary, e dot salary as salary from employee as e join department d on e dot department id equals to d dot id. So this we can write it as with CTE as this we can write it in CTE, or we can calculate the rank also from here. Let me do dense rank over partition by d dot id order by e dot salary descending as rank. So this is the rank we got. Let me run this query and let's see what happens. So we get department employee salary and rank. We want rank less than equals to 3. Okay. So now we can say what we can do is we can select department, comma employee, comma salary from this particular table where R and K is less than equals to 3. Now let us see what happens. We need to give alias, I think. Accepted. Now we are going to submit this. Accepted. Okay, so this is we solved using the window function. Now the next problem is trips and users. This is the last problem. So here we have trips column, trips data ID, client ID, driver ID, city ID, status, request at, and users table, user ID, band and role. The cancellation rate is computed by dividing the number of cancelled requests with unbanned users by the total number of requests with unbanned users on that day. Write a solution to find the cancellation rate of requests with unbanned users. Both client and driver must not be banned each day between these particular days. Round cancellation rate to 2 decimal points. So we will select first trips data, select ID, comma, client ID, comma, driver ID, comma, status, city we don't need, request, at, from, trips table, T, join, users table U on T dot client ID equal to U dot users ID, where band is not equals to yes. So this is one data that we got. Now another thing is we need to find the cancellation rate. So select, so we can give this CTE, as with unbanned users as this. Select request at count of ID as total request comma count of case when status like cancel percent, starting with cancelled, then ID and as cancelled request from unbanned users group by 1, order by 1, group by 1 with a date between, where request at between 2013 10/01 and 2013 10/03. This we got another subquery where we can write cancelled request as now let me write select cancellation rate request at comma cancel request into 1.0 divided by total request comma 2 rounded off. Now this is what cancellation rate from cancel request. Order by 1. Let me run it. So this is not needed. Let me run it now. Wrong answer. What is the issue here? request at 1 to 3, request at day 1 to 3. Okay, so instead of request at, we can write it as day day 133 0.5. So that we can add cancellation rate. So the output is correct, as you can see, expected in day 1, 1 October, 2nd October, 3rd October. In the output also we have 1 October, 2nd October, 3rd October, 0.33, 0.5, 0.33, 0.5. Only issue is with the aliases that we are facing here. I don't know what is the issue. It is asking me to have a space between cancellation rate, but it is not allowing me to create a space. So let's just ignore it. So this problem is also solved. If we submit it also, I don't think it will be acceptable. Output is this, and here is this. As you can see, day cancellation is okay. Later. So that's all for today's video. In the next video, we are going to solve more easy and medium and hard level of difficulties problems. Till that, happy learning. Thank you. All the best. And please like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, as it takes a lot of effort while creating these videos.